What happens to a deposit if buyer fails to close the deal on a property? My name is Ladi Dillon, your local real estate broker from Remax. Many times sellers think that if a buyer fails to do the closing, the seller is entitled to get the whole deposit amount by default, which is not true. There are a few different angles to look at the situation. First is that both parties have to agree on which party gets the deposit amount. So if in that case, buyers agree to sign a mutual lease and let the seller keep the deposit amount, or it can be other way around. Second is when a buyer is not willing to forfeit the deposit amount to the seller. In that case, the seller has to go to the court and the court decides who gets the deposit amount. A judge can give a decision in anyone's favor looking at the circumstances. So there is no simple answer to this question. It depends upon the situation of both parties and also on the judge. Meanwhile, the deposit sits in the trust account. No one is able to touch that money until the court's decision. If you are in this kind of scenario, it is best to consult with your lawyer at the earliest. That's all for today. Talk to you soon. Bye now.